today.
This evening, the Superdogs are thrilled to be back at the X with their latest show, Hollywood. As you might have guessed, we are paying tribute to movies and films old and these are These are just a few of the Superdogs that you are going to meet in tonight's show. They were excited to come out here and meet you as well before they head to the places for the show they have prepared. Good work, everyone. Is missing more than a couple of the letters. The Superdogs earn letters to add to the sign by clearing higher and higher heights on this final high jump. We are going to need your help to get to the top, but for now, let's put your paws together and cheer on the stars of our show. Here they come. First up at this height is Mandy Moore. Here comes James Bond. And this is Jumanji. That is a great start. We earn a letter. This is Airborne.
Make it right there.
That is definitely good for another letter. We are adding another O, and we are adding another bar halfway to the top. This is Top Gun. Is Willy Wonka.
आराम चम गया सर
Couple great jumps there. This is Ryan Reynolds. This is our director, Steven Spielberg. And here's Buzz Lightyear. That gets us another sign. We are adding a L. Are we adding a bar? It's up to all of you. Let's see if you remember your lines. This is going to start off with everybody in the field jumping and coming to the end. Let's try. Take two. This is
मोटाली हॉर्न लाइट की
This is I am going to point. Here with Global Pet Foods. They are a pet store with locally owned. And his friend Amy in a pot. distance, Olaf. Right off the mark, just bounced off the nose. A great effort by Olaf. Everybody keep... Great distance there, about halfway down the show floor. Not bad. Up next is Zac Efron. Looking good. Now it's up to Olaf. Those little legs go. The Academy loves.
That's what you needed. People you love to be there is important. Believe it. See, the best part is when you realize you're scared to fight. Find a way. Don't let your fears got your feelings. We all got bad sides, but all that matters in front of your eyes. Realize no how to find if you believe in this. As hard as it can be, remember why it's relief. No matter what,
Lovely style.
believe the magic. Follow the breath. Just smile and be fine. Say goodbye.
Great style. Dropping long. Last in this round. Great performance from... I got it. Thank you. See you backstage. And the Oscar goes to... No surprises here. It's Zac Efron, everybody! If that looked like fun, and you're thinking maybe it inspired you to start playing Frisbee with your pet dog at home, it's a great way for both of you to get to next another studio. You are going to be Paramount Studios. They were a bit more excited. I'm going to try this. Semi Sony Studios! That is an important part of how this game is played. We flip this job. You are choosing between this Australian Shepherd here and this Labrador Retriever German Shepherd cross. Over here, this Superdog's name is Barbie, and no surprises, the Superdog's name is Ken. Makes sense. By round of applause, Sony, do you want to run this race with Barbie? Or do you want to run this race with Ken? 5 down to 1. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He thought he was playing a very different game. I think baseball makes sense. We're going to try again. We'll give it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Ready for a round of applause, Paramount. Do you want to run this race with Emily Blunt? To run this race with Tom Cruise. That was almost polite. And we will cheer them on, everybody. This race starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, you have an Australian Shepherd, a miniature Australian Shepherd actually, named Ryan Reynolds. By round of applause, do you want to run this race with Hugh Jackman? Or do you want to run this race with Ryan Reynolds? It's definitely Hugh Jackman for Sony. That means Ryan Reynolds is racing for... That this was the casting call Relays. All you have done is pick your team, your trilogy of dogs, to run one final race. This one for all the marbles. Over here, racing for Sony, you have Ken, Tom Cruise, and Hugh Jackman. And over here, racing for Paramount, you have
लोड लोड